Well, good morning to you. It's a lovely autumn morning here in Falmouth, and I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Stu Last, and I'm joining the audio programmer as one of the educators and to help with some of the tech stuff on the website. So this is where I live. This is a beautiful part of the UK, Cornwall. It's a little bit overcast at the moment, but still people are out swimming. No wetsuits, notice that. And it's just a lovely place to live. It's very inspirational. And I absolutely love it here. So this is where I'm going to be doing my vlog from. This is where I'm going to be doing my lessons from. Obviously not the beach, but I will do an intro every now and then, show you some parts of Cornwall, and just give you a feel of who I am, where I live, and what it is to be a musician, a composer, a developer, and a vlogger in Cornwall. So hopefully I'll be seeing you soon. Got a lot of lessons. Josh and I have had a chat about what's required and how I can help. So there's going to be a load of lessons coming up in the future. I'm really looking forward to doing those. I'm really looking forward to actually sharing some knowledge with you and getting us to be the audio programmers that we all can be. So anyway, I'm going to take some time to enjoy the view, and I'll see you soon.